All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Port Haven Watches Star Wars Rebels. We're in the second half of Season 4. We're just coming off of the heart-wrenching Kanan episodes of last week. I am Yoda Bauer, and I'm here with...
Your boy, Professor Django.
Woo! And we're gonna dive in and see what happens next. I don't know a whole lot. I know a very important character is supposed to show up.
Jar Jar Binks.
Yep. We finally learn how he gets from Revenge of the Sith to the Chuck Wendig interlude in Empire's End. That mystery will be solved.
Yep.
Today. But that's all I really know. So as always with these, what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch the episode, and then you can sync our audio with your episode, your copy of Star Wars Rebels, and it will be like we can watch it all together. You can hear our reactions as we watch it for the first time. Or if you're not into that, if you've already seen it and you want to skip to the end, we'll discuss the episode a little bit at the end, and we will try not to hold it against you if you do that. So I have my copy here. I'm at 000, so I will count us in. We can get started. So on go, we'll go. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Aww.
Sloth cat.
Can we keep him?
These things fascinate me because they're like cat dogs with bird legs. On the Loth Wolf.
This is such a different tone after the last two episodes.
It's like, oh look, happiness, community.
When I binge this later on, it's gonna feel weird.
Yup. That we've never gone back to after one time.
Yeah.
You know, that doesn't mean a whole lot coming from Zeb, who kind of looks like a talking wolf himself. Just touching it. Put don't touch signs on it.
Yeah.
If only you had tunnels that go through mountains. Right. Secret tunnels through the mountains. What are you doing, Ezra?
This could be very anticlimactic if nothing happened.
If no, and then it was just an empty field. Are you gonna ride on the wolves?
Maybe they'll have a big forced dog sled.
I think I'm gonna name the lead one Balto from now on.
As long as it's not Ahsoka.
Yep. These guys are like what the Eagles should have been in Lord of the Rings.
That is a fair point.
It is a fair point. I love Zeb. Oh my gosh.
I would be happy if Zeb and Ezra just went off and had adventures together at the end of this.
I would be very happy with that resolution.
I keep noticing the owl on Sabine's armor too.
Yeah, I really want to know what that means. because the owl is like her, or it's like Satine's sister, whose name I can't remember right now, and so that's kind of where I thought it came from. But then it's
Yeah.
supposed to be like the daughter from Mortis, so I'm really curious what's going on here. I like this music.
Me too. We don't talk about this much, but the animation is really good too.
Oh, it's spectacular.
Like you can tell that they've really spent some money.
Yep. It's really the lighting that sells it to me.
Yeah. Like the animation of the grass that they're running through.
Yeah.
Like that's
a lot of
detail.
work. Yeah. Even the fur on these wolves.
Right.
Or like how they have strategic patches so they don't have to animate all the fur, but it's like just enough.
Right.
The stylization helps with that too. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that was cool. Whoosh, hyperspace. The Inquisitor. Ooh.
Mm.
And Luke.
And Obi-Wan and Yoda.
That was super trippy. So did Hera have that vision? Because we saw her first, or I was presumed that would be Ezra.
Yeah, I'm assuming.
Poor Chopper. Oh, they all saw
I guess
it.
they all did.
What's
I
up?
wonder if Chopper like got a recording of it.
Yeah. I wonder if he could experience it.
It's like a Treebeard from Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
I'm on nobody's side.
I really am looking forward to like the eventual guide that explains like if the Loth Wolf's powers are tied to what we saw in The Last Jedi in any way.
All right.
It definitely made some of the like Rebels. Oh wow, this is like the Sarlacc pit in The Force Unleashed.
Yeah.
And I was saying Rebels with the wolves made a lot of this stuff more palpable. What I saw in The Last Jedi.
Oh, sure.
Jedi artifacts.
Yeah.
Like,
Not much secret.
right? It's like they want to wipe out the Jedi. Just a hunch.
I mean, you've fought Inquisitors and Darth Vader. I think you have an idea that.
Oh, this is sneaky.
Oh yeah. I was thinking Thrawn's just watching.
Not.
Yep.
That was sneaky.
That was sneaky. That was cool.
I like that. So do you think Sabine is wearing that armor over her other armor?
If not, there's just like a pile of random Mandalorian armor
chilling
laying on the
somewhere.
ground somewhere. It's a lightsaber.
Oh, is that what that was? Ooh. I missed
Yeah, laying
that.
on top of that crate.
I was distracted by the Rhodians. This is very Raiders right now.
Oh yeah. The Ark of the Covenant there somewhere.
Hello. What are you? Oh, frick. What's the name of the guy in the Aftermath books? The dark side.
Oh. Oh yeah. I bet. I can't remember. I know what you're talking about though.
I wonder if he's like that. If there was ever a time for this to work. Uh-oh. Please tell me that's Hera.
I'm assuming it is.
Okay. Ah! Ah!
There's good old Sheev.
Oh, I hate that name.
Oh look, there's the
Oh, yep, the Mortis stuff.
the Mortis stuff. He knows about it.
Interesting. Well, Anakin, Vader could have told him.
Well, I didn't think they remembered a whole lot of that.
Whoa, wait. Why would you know who Kanan is?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's very interesting. Ooh.
Oh.
It is the Ark of the Covenant.
Yeah. Minister Haydn, it said.
So Tashu is the guy from the Aftermath trilogy, but it might be the same kind of role, not the same character. So much going on right now. So the Emperor knows who Kanan is, first of all, which is weird. Kanan's death altered some sort of balance. The Emperor knows about Mortis, which I... Whoa!
Wait.
What? Okay, is he like actual... No, okay, he's not actual Force Ghost. She's just like sensing his presence.
Yeah.
I can handle that. Like... He can't be actual Force Ghost, but his presence can exist on Lothal. Like, that's fine. Like, if this is just kind of like an Angels in the Outfield thing going on right now, that's okay. Anyway, so that's a thing. I don't think it's weird that the Emperor knows about Mortis, because Vader could have told him about Mortis.
That's true. I just know that Anakin didn't remember parts of that, like his vision about Vader.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So, like, he wouldn't have remembered everything to be able to tell.
Ooh. Yeah, this is totally Raiders of the Lost Ark right now.
Yeah.
Like every bit.
Don't open it.
Don't open it.
Close your eyes.
Oh man. Look at
See,
those
there's the owl again.
faces.
I have.
What's up, Trend Ocean? Well, there's 3 people. They seem to be important.
It's just interesting to me because this confirms like that other people went to Mortis or something, and that Mortis wasn't just this one-off vision that
Right.
Anakin and Ahsoka and Obi-Wan had. Hmm.
So is Lothal connected to Mortis? Or is Mortis connected to many things?
I don't know.
He said something about the owl, I didn't catch it. Oh hey, yeah, she's right. She's correct. Including my doodles. My doodles have a lot of meaning. Access points to Mortis, maybe?
Maybe so.
Oh man. With the hand gestures? Mm-hmm. Oh, the art can move?
It's like one of those puzzles where you have to move around until you get the picture right.
Yeah. This would be a good time to discover that Sabine is force sensitive.
Yeah.
Be real convenient to learn that right now. This isn't suspicious at all.
Yeah.
Random scout
Not like
trooper
there are
touching the art.
floodlights on you.
They can totally see you. What is this, like video game logic where there's like a radius to aggro? You weren't a woman yesterday. What happened? Oh man. I'm not saying anything because I'm totally into this right now.
I'm just completely watching what Ezra's doing.
And we all know that listening is Ezra's best skill.
Yeah. He has so many things he's good at.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Yes. It's like the map in Pirates 3.
Yep.
Also, that was Ezra. I remember seeing the Scout Trooper and wondering why Scout Troopers. Oh,
Oh,
hello.
wait.
Okay. Okay. Hopefully only Ezra can see this.
Yeah. It's all right. He's just doing some stuff with a
Yeah.
cave painting.
Oh, she saw the paintings move. Yeah, nope. Everyone can see. So they're just that oblivious, the Empire. That's cool. All right. Totally normal. Stargate, probably.
Yeah.
That's what I'm going for.
I'm still like, so when the father pointed to the side,
Yeah,
he was pointing in the direction that the wolves went, but he pointed
towards the sun.
to the sun's closed fist. So like, I still like, I want to know what it all means. Tell me, Dave Filoni.
Like, is that because the galaxy is in darkness right now?
Maybe. Would the guy that's studying this not have noticed that the painting moved?
All right. Oh man. Meanwhile, check the painting because it's moving.
Yeah.
Like, it's currently doing that.
Nobody's noticing.
Nope.
He's just gonna walk through it.
Yup. It's totally fine. What's the worst that could happen? Time to move.
They're literally gonna shoot you. What are you waiting for?
You're not cool enough to go through the wolf door. Too good. Oh, I like this music too. Wait, what? No!
Yep.
Ah! Okay, so that was a lot. A lot of things happened there.
Many things. All the things.
Okay, so as I was saying before, Emperor knows who Kanan is. First off, that's kind of trippy to me.
Yeah.
Because, like, don't get me wrong, I love Kanan, and he's obviously a great Jedi, but, like, he was just like a Padawan that no one knew, so
I mean, I guess they did commit a lot of resources to those Inquisitors trying to find them.
Right. And
they knew that Maul was with them at one point.
That's fair. It makes total sense that Palps would keep tabs on Maul. And I guess just by nature of being like one of the few left, he would get attention.
It is interesting to me that the Emperor knew him as Kanan, which suggests that he might not have known
Caleb.
Who he was. Yeah. Like Caleb.
That's a good point. And then obviously there's a whole lot of Mortis going on right now, which I don't even know what to say about that yet, other than like it's a thing. Again, I don't think it's weird that Palpatine would know anything about Mortis, because I think Anakin would have told him. Because like you're right, Anakin would have forgotten about like the Vader vision and stuff, but he would remember because like the father took away that memory, but he would remember everything after that point, at least, if not some of the stuff before it. Because when they came out of the vision on Mortis, there was like I think Anakin references it in the Yoda episodes at the end of the Clone Wars. I recently rewatched those, and I think Anakin has a line to Yoda about like the weird thing that happened, but like they don't know what it is.
Right.
So he would have been able to tell Palpatine something. So so the next episode's called The World Between Worlds, or Door Between Worlds, or whatever. And I want to know if this is going to be like a way to get around, or if this is a way to get to Mortis. Because like if we see Mortis again in this, that's going to be trippy.
Right. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so confused. Like everything about, like, this is why people either liked or didn't like the Mortis episodes,
Right.
because they're all symbolic. And so I can't help but wonder, like, Dave Filoni's not just going to throw up, the father, the son, and the daughter for no reason. Like there are other iconography that could move around on a wall painting.
Right, exactly. I kind of wonder if it meant that they had plans for Mortis before Clone Wars was canceled, because Clone Wars had at least so the 6th season was only half done, and they had something like 2 more seasons after that.
Right.
So maybe they always planned on coming back, and this is how they're doing it. I don't know. But then the other crazy thing was that Kanan. I don't think Kanan was a Force ghost. I think that was like because Zeb couldn't see him.
Right.
Although I guess we've never really established with Force ghosts who they can be seen by, because like Luke can see Vader and Obi-Wan, or can see Anakin and Obi-Wan and Yoda at the end of Jedi, but Leia doesn't seem to notice them. So
right.
I don't know if that's a thing.
I don't know either. But even then, I didn't get the impression that Kanan was a Force ghost so much as just a presence that was there that we might have gotten visually represented
to us. Yeah.
Right, just so that we could know what she's feeling without them having to
say it.
Right.
Well, and that would tie into, you had sent me a quote from Filoni a couple days back about how like Kanan is a part of the life essence on Lothal, and like that's why he kind of showed up in that one big wolf last week, but it wasn't that he was the wolf. It was like the Force was manifesting itself to Ezra. Kanan's energy was there, and it was like taking on a familiar form to help Ezra.
Yeah, it's interesting to me too, because like the Emperor said that Kanan's death had altered the fate of Lothal.
Yeah.
But like Kanan's not from Lothal the way that Ezra is.
Right.
If I remember right, Kanan was born on Coruscant.
I think you're right, yeah.
He came to Lothal with Hera and the Ghost and the Rebels.
Right.
And obviously they've been operating there. And so he has a connection, but you would think that if somebody was going to be tied into the fate of the planet, it would be the kid that's from there.
Unless maybe Kanan has altered the fate of Lothal because he has altered somehow Ezra's fate somehow.
Maybe so.
I mean, that's just me spitballing.
I'm really wondering too, because when they first went to the Jedi Temple at Lothal, like that was when they heard Yoda's voice, like when Ezra and Yoda had a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Was that was right?
Yep, you're correct.
So I don't know. I'm just so curious about what's going on there.
We got a whole nother episode. I suppose we could get to that now.
I suppose so.
All right, so we're gonna kick it on to the next episode, and we'll catch you hopefully on that one. If not, we'll catch you next time somewhere.